Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Vakas and you are watching Momy Tech. So friend, today I am going to tell you how to on dark mode in YouTube in iPhone. So friend, without wasting your time, let's start. First of all, friend, open YouTube, select setting friend, select setting. See friend, tap journal. See friend, tap dark mode. See friend, you now you can see your YouTube background theme in dark mode. See friend, dark mode. See friend. Friend, in this way you can change your YouTube background in iPhone. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, please share this video and subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that next upcoming video notification received to you. Thanks for watching.